Hi guys, and welcome back to another old school video for you today. And we're going to continue the theme with a bit of privacy and a bit of maintenance on your PC to keep you protected and to help speed things up a bit for you. So today we are going to be talking about your browser history and the cookies that are sometimes stored on your browser when you're using it to view files and things on the internet. So the browser, when you're searching it, so a browser would be like Google Chrome, for example. So in here, if you type in, I don't know, news or something, and you head on to a news site. What's this? Agree. So say you click on Google News. What will happen is Google News will then keep track that you've been on there and store cookies so that it recognises you and things like that. What often happens is your cache will be stored on there as well, so that it remembers the settings that you had last time you visited the page. And what can happen is when you're using a website and you go back to one that you haven't used for a while, it would store old cookies and the old cache, and that can sometimes cause problems loading pages and things like that, which can obviously impact your experience when you're accessing that website. So really you want to try and keep your cookies and your cache clear and your browser history, and hopefully that will improve your online experience and also continue to protect your privacy where cookies are storing information that may be out of date, and creating sort of security issues where people can use that to access parts of your system if you're not careful. So if you click this little dot up here, you'll see that there's various different options you can select. This is on Google Chrome, so if you go into more tools, you can see clear browsing data. If you select that, it will give you options about the things that you can actually change on there and remove. So you've got browser history, download history, cookies from sites that you've been on, cached images and files. Like I said, they're stored on there to try and make it quicker next time you go back onto a website that you visited before. And then passwords and other sign-in data. If you're using the browser to access a site that needs a password, you can ask Google to remember that password for you. Obviously, if you're storing passwords in the browser, you're more open to people being able to discover those and access accounts. So it's obviously quite important to review your passwords and possibly change them as regularly as you can, which can be a bit of a pain, but it's not a bad thing to do. If you want to remove them all, you can just tick this box, and then when you click clear data, they'll also be removed from there. So if I clear data now, it's pretty quick, and you can clear all sorts of stuff, autofill passwords and payments, details that's saved, privacy and security. There's loads of different options in there. But that's basically how you clear your browser data. Once you've done that, you can close your browser once more. Yeah, so now that we've cleared that, no. Okay, so that tool can be quite useful if you're experiencing some issues with certain websites where you go on and things aren't loading properly. That could simply be down to the information that's stored in the browser history and the cache. So yeah, first things first, give it a try, see if that solves the problem. If not, you can run CCleaner or Spybot, those tools that we've discussed before. Be quite useful for you to try and fix any problems with this website and continue your safer browsing. Okay, thanks for watching. If you did like the video, make sure you click the like, and feel free to subscribe and share this video around for us. And if you have any ideas for a video that you may like us to do, just to run through anything for you, please do leave us a comment below. Okay, see you soon.